This Christmas Eve and holiday season, while hearts are warm and families are close, someone else may be watching what you've worked so hard for. Secure First Title and Deed is here to protect your home, your deed, your legacy. Whether you're gifting peace of mind or protecting your family's future. Our Secure First Private Access credential ensures only you and your loved ones have control. Give the gift of certainty this Christmas. Before the new year, lock it down. Secure First Title and Deed, protecting legacies with precision. Secure First Digital Protection Kit, instant delivery, private access code included. Confidence today, protection tomorrow. Legacy preserved. Visit securefirsttitledeed.org today.